The economic analyst stands before a colossal digital dashboard. With each motion, they reveal complexities of the global economy. U.S. and European economic resilience and challenges are laid bare, summarized in interactive charts. A confident figure, the U.S. economy representation stands tall in an office. Nearby, inflation charts highlight staying below 4%, a harbinger of balance. Room screens display strong spending and a surge in durables, defying 2022's forecasts. The European economy representation inches forward, a mere 0.4% GDP growth visualized on the chart behind. European economy representation confronts Germany's industrial woes, chains of fiscal restraint dragging it down. The economic analyst concludes their presentation.
In assessing economic health, we should focus on core indicators such as GDP, CPI, and unemployment rates. It is clear that consumer spending and technological advancements are key to the underlying resilience of the U.S. economy.
The economic analyst sits immersed in thought. Eyes tracing lines on charts, contemplating U.S. and European economies.